This was I think Charlie's idea, but it also might have been my idea. I don't remember. But then he forgot he had plans.
I was like, it's almost time for Genshin. Oh yeah.
I mean, we can.
It's almost time for Genshin.
We can play Genshin after.
I thought the same thing too, and then I got a message like, "So are you coming?" I'm like, "What?" DTSJ.
It's the other Korean pop band.
Clip that's
We don't need to watch the tutorial again, right?
And the subtitle will be filled in by
What? No, I've never played this
Get
game.
ready.
I also haven't played this game before.
Now,
Wasn't he here before? Oh god. Wait.
Okay, if this is a long ass tutorial, you can skip it.
No, this is
And
the
that's
actual
the good
game.
One time, Juritsu, you're just talking to him, and he's like, "Can this hurry? My ice cream is melting."
Orange sherbet, you uncultured bastard.
Said ice cream. That's what he said.
Oh, it's orange sherbet that he's... or peach. It's peach sherbet. That's the thing he likes.
sub the title.
Okay, number one, it's sorbet, you dick. And number two, he
They're the
said
same
ice
thing.
cream.
Sorbet and sherbet are the same thing.
I think one of them is different. I don't remember why.
Basta. Una pennellata di figura di odio. Domani te ne puoi andare. Basta. Una pennellata di...
Oh, Sherbet supposedly has milk.
Might contain milk.
You contain milk?
Damn it.
Nur ein Geld
Oh,
und weiter nicht.
now my joke's really not funny.
Das Geld ist der einzige Wert, an den ich glaube.
Und weiter nichts.
Und mit Recht. Das Geld ist der einzige Wert, an den ich
Sorry,
Du kennst
if people mention Sangli.
und weiter nichts.
Und mit Recht. Das Geld ist der einzige Wert,
Us Sherbet has milk.
Sorbet doesn't.
Like, there's no authority on this that can answer definitively.
Just like the whole GIF thing, right?
No.
Let's continue.
Bye.
It's a small collection.
Collection, yeah. GIF is the correct. Not even the
You're
maker
about
of
to
the
see
word can
a
use it.
subtitle.
И недаром все континенты рукоплещут дружникам нашего большого... И недаром все континенты рукоплещут дружникам нашего большого...
Now I can drink my slushy without having to mute.
What kind of slushy?
15 seconds left.
There he is.
Being funny is all I have that gives me validation in life, and without it, I'd always have depressive episodes that would likely result in me not winning this this game, actually. So, important thing.
You unlocked an achievement, Lonk.
The thing is, Link's playing golf. Actually, this is
So
the
he's
best.
winning.
Deadline right here
So
and
this is
right
similar,
now.
but with a newspaper
Extra.
headline.
Okay. I don't even know what is in front of Santa. Is that a computer?
Computer or cinder block? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! That was actually good.
Is that the same thing that was in front of Santa?
I don't know what it is. This looks like a
'Cause it
briefcase.
Looks like it might be.
Yeah.
Or a laptop.
God.
Is that Bill
What, what is he?
Who's that?
Oh,
Who's that?
I think it's Bill
That's-
Clinton.
I'm not
That's-
American. Who is that?
Is that a suitcase or a laptop?
I don't
I
know.
think it's just supposed
would-
to be like
I would leave it open to
let me see.
interpretation.
Well,
It
that's
looks like a laptop. Yeah.
but it's a laptop.
Looks like a
with
suitcase.
handle. You know, because if you zoom in, you can see there's like keyboard.
You know what?
I like
No.
how I like the implication that women are more marginalized than horses.
Maybe it is a. Maybe it is a suitcase.
It might be a really skinny suitcase or a laptop. Or none
Maybe
of
it's
the
a
above.
suitcase with a laptop inside.
There you go.
Blank-o-matic.
How dirty can we go on this?
About to find out.
We're about to find out.
Oh no!
Yeah, isn't this a PG-13 server?
Allegedly.
Yeah, the kids are getting older these days. I
We had an
mean, have
incident
you
with the
heard some
bot
of the
that
things?
Charlie added.
I mean, that's to be expected of Charlie, though.
Are your
Just gonna
answers?
go before the FBI catches on.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Yeah, he's picture.
I wonder who put that one on.
You guys actually have enemies?
Oh yes.
I would like to think so.
I hope
Why
everyone
not
I've ever
say
met
that?
is my enemy.
Does myself count?
Okay.
My second choice would have been in the catacombs lured by the promise of wine.
The fuck are you, the Count of Monte Cristo?
I mean the... Fuck, now you got me confused.
Cristo?
And
Oh, this
here's
isn't
what you
Jack
came up
Fox.
with.
Yeah, it's user words, which
No.
is similar, but yeah. Oh no, not
Oh my
too.
the... Fuck, you fucked me up.
The glory of the
Just
silver
referenced
screen.
it.
No, not the
Let's throw it
cow.
in the garbage,
You're
shall we?
wrong.
It's sub the title.
What's his fuck... The cask of Amontillado.
Trying not to make these all Genshin related.
Bye.
Weirdos wrote.
That's how you solve your life problem.
I'm gonna pick this one, even though I don't understand any Genshin references.
Aggie, you said you wouldn't do Genshin Impact again.
I know.
You lied to
Get
us.
ready for our
It was just for one round, I thought.
lightning round we
I
call
apologize as I
Survey
hit the
Says.
enter button.
I can't believe this. I'm getting penalized for using proper
And the
grammar.
winner is you.
Wow, I won one. Now we can stop playing.
Why'd you let me into your server?
I needed mods. Be funny, Irvin.
I hope so.
15 seconds. Get ready for our grand finale, the lightning
Okay.
round we call.
So this is kind of like
Survey
Family Feud, but not
Says.
really.
Here's your first prompt.
A lot of people
They get it right.
haven't watched.
Oh no!
She doesn't know how to fucking cook. Why do y'all keep? Like seriously. Oh my god.
Poison bland.
I would eat that.
Okay.
Am I laughing at anything with feet?
I think that's a sign. You know.
Something you
Exposing
want to tell us?
yourself.
I guess I won't say it, but I'm willing to accept it.
That's not canon, is it?
Maybe they laughed on the inside. Oh no, not asbestos.
Action Park! Action Park!
House
That bitch
answer.
still won't drop me any molten memories. How am I supposed to grow my Raiden Shogun?
No.
Wait.
That would be
Wait,
a
that's
fun
not how it works.
Everyone's going to know you're a furry.
We're supposed to be trying to hide that. Oof.
God damn.
Now we don't know who the furries are.
No one was in the negatives this time, though.
I
So
went
true.
from negative all the way to the. I won.
You what?
I was in the negative.
You came out of
You
nowhere.
literally started in the negative.
power of anime and God
And feet.
and feet.